It's 2 for Tuesday.
This one goes here, and then this one goes... I'll never get this.
I see you're trying to wire a terminal block. What seems to be the problem?
I'm using WAGO's unbelievably easy to wire DIN rail mount terminal blocks, but I'm having trouble figuring out which wire goes where.
There's a simple way to fix that. Just use our continuous marking strips for terminal blocks. Our smart printer uses a thermal transfer ink for a clean look, and the Smart Script software provides a number of templates, or you can make your own design.
This is really great. And all I have to do is press down on the strip to snap it into place on the terminal block. This looks really clean and is a great addition to any control cabinet.
We have a broad selection of label types for marking, including push-button markers, peel and stick labels, and for our terminal blocks, we use 2 industry-exclusive methods: a continuous marker strip for fast marking, or inline markers offering single marking tags, fitting a majority of WAGO components.
Wiring made easier with our terminal blocks.
Along with our marking tools, make it a perfect 2 for Tuesday.
Check out all of our terminal block options by going to our website, www.wago.us. Click on Products, then click on the first option, Rail and Chassis Mount Terminal Blocks.
You can find tools and marking options for your terminal blocks on our website as well. Just click Products, go to General on the far right, and click on Marking. You can also request a free marking bag sample by going to www.wago.com/us/marking-sample. Happy Tuesday.